The Bobikuke Nonstick Tamagoyaki Pan is a Bella item for making Japanese omelets. It has a rectangular shape. This shape helps you create the traditional rolled omelet. The pan measures 7.48 by 6.3 by 1.57 inches. This size is great for single servings. It is also good for smaller households. Men and women who love cooking will enjoy this pan. This Bobikuke Nonstick Tamagoyaki Pan has a non-stick surface. Therefore, eggs will not stick to the pan. This makes cooking easy and cleanup even easier. You won't spend a lot of time scrubbing. The pan is also oven and dishwasher safe. This adds to its convenience. The removable handle is a great feature. It makes storage simpler. Plus, it makes cleaning in the dishwasher easier. Professionals might appreciate this easy-to-care-for design. The Bobikuke Nonstick Tamagoyaki Pan is a great choice for your kitchen pots. It is not just for omelets. You can use it for frying eggs or even cooking small steaks. The square shape and nonstick coating make it versatile. It helps you achieve your goal of making delicious meals. This pan is a valuable addition to your electrics. It is a simple yet effective tool. It helps anyone make perfect tamagoyaki. Pros: removable handle, oven safe, dishwasher safe, rectangle shape, good size. 7.48 by 6.3. Deep enough. 1.57 inches. White color, tamagoyaki specific, space-saving handle, versatile use. Cons: non-stick coating may degrade, could scratch easily, small size limits volume, handle might feel less sturdy, white color stains easier, not ideal for high heat, uneven heating possible. Removable handle has parts, may not last as long as others, dishwasher use can shorten life. Features: Japanese omelette pan, non-stick coating, tamagoyaki pan, rectangle shape, egg frying pan. Square pan, omelette pan, removable handle 7.48 by 6.3 by 1.57 inches, oven safe. This white Bobikuke Japanese omelette pan is a non-stick, rectangular pan perfect for making tamagoyaki, a rolled Japanese omelette, as well as other egg dishes. It can also be used as a square or regular omelette pan and frying pan. The pan measures 7.48 by 6.3 by 1.57 inches and features a removable handle for easy storage and cleaning. It is safe to use in the oven and dishwasher. This white Bobikuke Japanese omelette pan is designed for making tamagoyaki and has a rectangular shape with a good size and depth. It's convenient with a removable, space-saving handle and is safe for oven and dishwasher use. However, the non-stick coating might not last forever and could scratch. And its small size limits how much you can cook. The handle might feel a little wobbly. And the white color could stain more easily. It's also not the best for very high heat. And uneven heating is possible. Because the handle comes apart, it has more pieces that could break. And overall, it might not last as long as some other pans. Also, putting it in the dishwasher a lot could make it wear out faster.